Electricity is sold in units called kilowatt hours, kWh. Kilo means 1,000. A watt is a unit of power. So literally this means 1,000 watts for 1 hour. The question really is how many of these units are consumed by an appliance in 1 hour. That appliance could be a fridge, it could be a stove, it could be a television, it could be an electric kettle. Well, I've got a little formula here. The number of units the appliance is going to consume is equal to the power rating of that particular appliance multiplied by the number of hours it remains switched on, all this divided by 1,000. So let's read the formula again. If I've got my appliance switched on for X number of hours, this is its power rating. The number of units it consumes is given by the power rating multiplied by the number of hours I've switched it on divided by 1,000. Let's illustrate this with a couple of examples. Example number 1, let's take a stove. A stove is normally rated at about 4,000, a 4-plate stove, that is. So stove, let's put 4,000. 4,000 W. W stands for watts. That's the unit of power. So how many units are going to be consumed? Well, we plug in the numbers. Power rating is 4,000. Number of hours, we said we'll switch it on for 1 hour. Divided by 1,000. That gives us what? This must go and this must go. So up here we're just left with 4 times 1, which is equal to 4 units. So a stove rated at 4,000 watts, switched on for 1 hour, will eat up 4 units of power. 4 kWh. Let's take an iron as an example. So it's going to be iron. And iron normally would be 3,000 watts. It's switched on for, again, 1 hour. So number of units will be, the power rating is 3,000 multiplied by number of hours is 1 divided by 1,000. That gives us what? This also must go, this must go. 3 times 1, which is 3 units. Let's take a lighter one such as a bulb, an electric bulb. So bulb, a bulb will be about 60 watts, wouldn't it? So 60 watts. So we're going to switch it on for 1 hour. So our power rating is 60 times number of hours is 1 divided by 1,000. That gives us, this one goes, 6 over 100, which is 0.06 units. Not a lot of power consumption is going on there, is it? Okay, let's take a fridge as our last example. A fridge, I would estimate that it's at about, what do we say? About 400 watts. 400 watts, that electric motor pumping with gas up and down shouldn't be that big. So 400 watts, so it's going to give us 400 times 1 divided by 1,000, which gives us, this goes 4 over 10, which is 0.4 units. kWh. With some of these things, I could have been guessing some of these numbers here, but with all these gadgets, you look at the back, there's a little plate there that's written the power and the current and so forth. You can actually check and get an accurate number. So if we are going to manage our electricity consumption in the house, it looks like these are the two guys we have to be on the lookout for the stove and the iron. The bulb, you can switch it on for a whole day, nothing really happens.